Looking to boost your income effortlessly in 2024? Explore these 12 passive income ideas that can pave the way to financial success. From dividend stocks to rental properties, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you to tap into. But have you ever wondered which passive income stream suits your financial goals best? In today's video, we'll delve into 12 passive income ideas that can help you build wealth and secure your financial future in 2024 and beyond. From traditional investments like dividend stocks and bonds to innovative opportunities like peer-to-peer lending and private equity, there's something for everyone to explore. Let's dive in and discover how you can start earning passive income effortlessly. 1. Dividend stocks. One of the tried and true methods of generating passive income is through investing in dividend stocks. These stocks distribute a portion of the company's earnings to shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. What's more, the best dividend stocks increase their payouts over time, allowing investors to grow their future income steadily. Investing in dividend stocks not only provides a steady income stream, but also offers the potential for capital appreciation. Moreover, dividend stocks tend to be less volatile than growth stocks, making them an attractive option for risk-averse investors looking to diversify their portfolios. 2. Exchange-traded funds. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing, dividend index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, offer a convenient solution. These investment vehicles hold a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, allowing investors to gain exposure to multiple companies without the need for individual stock selection. Index funds, such as those mirroring the S&P 500, provide a broad market exposure, while dividend ETFs offer the flexibility of stock trading combined with the diversification benefits of index funds. By investing in dividend index funds or ETFs, investors can enjoy passive income while minimizing the risks associated with individual stock picking. 3. Bonds and bond index funds. While stocks offer the potential for higher returns, bonds provide stability and income through fixed interest payments. Investing in bonds allows individuals to lend money to corporations or governments in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of principal upon maturity. Bond index funds offer a diversified portfolio of bonds, reducing the risk of default associated with individual bond investments. With their lower volatility and steady income stream, bonds serve as a valuable addition to any investment portfolio, particularly for investors nearing retirement or seeking capital preservation. 4. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. For investors looking to profit from real estate without the hassles of property management, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an attractive alternative. REITs are companies that own and operate income-generating properties, such as office buildings, malls, and apartments. By investing in REITs, individuals can gain exposure to the real estate market while enjoying high dividend yields and potential capital appreciation. Publicly traded REITs can be purchased through brokerage accounts, providing liquidity and diversification benefits. Additionally, investors can explore REIT mutual funds and ETFs for further diversification and risk management. 5. Money market funds. Money market funds offer a conservative yet profitable option for investors seeking stable returns with minimal risk. These mutual funds invest in short-term, high-quality securities such as government bonds and commercial paper, providing liquidity and income generation. With their focus on capital preservation and income generation, money market funds serve as an ideal choice for investors looking to park their cash while earning a competitive return. 6. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts represent a simple yet effective way to earn passive income on your idle cash. These online savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing savers to maximize their returns without taking on additional risk. By depositing funds into a high-yield savings account, individuals can earn interest on their balance while maintaining easy access to their money. With the current trend of rising interest rates, high-yield savings accounts have become increasingly attractive for individuals seeking to grow their savings over time. 7. Certificates of deposit, CDs. Certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a secure and predictable way to earn passive income through fixed interest payments. By depositing funds into a CD account for a specified period, investors can lock in a guaranteed interest rate, providing stability and income certainty. While CDs typically offer higher interest rates than savings accounts, they require investors to commit their funds for a predetermined term. However, in exchange for this restriction, investors can enjoy higher returns and protection against interest rate fluctuations. With their low-risk profile and steady returns, CDs remain a popular choice for conservative investors seeking to preserve capital and generate income. 8. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the way individuals access financing and generate passive income. These online platforms connect borrowers with investors willing to lend money in exchange for interest payments. By cutting out traditional financial institutions, peer-to-peer lending offers borrowers lower interest rates and investors higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. While peer-to-peer lending carries inherent risks, such as borrower default, investors can mitigate these risks by diversifying their loan portfolios across multiple borrowers and loan types. With its potential for attractive returns and portfolio diversification, peer-to-peer lending has become a popular choice for investors seeking alternative income streams. 9. Private equity. For high-net-worth individuals seeking to invest in promising startups and private companies, private equity offers an enticing opportunity. Private equity funds pool capital from accredited investors to fund the growth and expansion of private businesses in exchange for equity ownership. While private equity investments require a longer investment horizon and higher minimum investment thresholds, they offer the potential for substantial returns and portfolio diversification. Additionally, individuals can explore direct investments in private companies, leveraging their expertise and network to support entrepreneurial ventures. 10. Rental properties. Owning rental properties is a time-tested strategy for generating passive income and building long-term wealth. By purchasing residential or commercial properties and renting them out to tenants, investors can enjoy steady rental income and potential appreciation in property values. While rental property ownership comes with responsibilities such as property maintenance, tenant management, and legal compliance, it offers numerous tax benefits and wealth-building opportunities. Additionally, investors can leverage financing options such as mortgages to acquire properties with minimal upfront capital. With careful property selection and diligent management, rental properties can serve as a reliable source of passive income and wealth accumulation for investors. 11. Vacation rentals. In the era of the sharing economy, vacation rentals have emerged as a popular alternative to traditional hotels and resorts. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo allow property owners to rent out their homes, apartments, or spare rooms to travelers seeking unique accommodations. By leveraging the power of technology and hospitality management, individuals can earn passive income from their properties while providing memorable experiences to guests. Vacation rentals offer flexibility in terms of rental duration and pricing, allowing hosts to maximize their earnings based on demand and seasonality. 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers individuals the opportunity to earn passive income by promoting products or services through their online platforms. By joining affiliate programs offered by companies and brands, individuals can earn commissions for driving traffic and sales to their partners' websites. Affiliate marketing is accessible to anyone with an online presence, whether through a blog, social media account, or YouTube channel. By creating valuable content and strategically integrating affiliate links, individuals can monetize their audience and generate passive income while sharing products they believe in. With its low barrier to entry and unlimited earning potential, affiliate marketing remains a popular choice for digital entrepreneurs seeking passive income opportunities. Conclusion. In conclusion, passive income offers individuals the opportunity to generate wealth and achieve financial independence by leveraging their assets and resources. Whether through dividend stocks, real estate investments, or alternative income streams like peer-to-peer lending and affiliate marketing. There are countless ways to earn passive income in 2024 and beyond. By diversifying your income sources and adopting a long-term investment mindset, you can build a resilient financial foundation and unlock new opportunities for growth and prosperity. Thanks for tuning in to discover these 12 passive income ideas to help you thrive in 2024. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this in the future. Until next time, happy investing!